Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to access directly any specific folder from home screen in Samsung smartphones running One UI. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the My Files application and just click on this internal storage and select your respective folder. And now you will see here at the right bottom corner more option. Just click on it. Now you will see here add to home screen option, so you can use this method or just tap and hold on the respective folder and drag it, and now with the other finger just minimize this My Files application, and now on the home screen you can just release it. Now you can see here I have created a shortcut of this specific folder on my home screen. So now if I click on it, I can directly access or open this respective folder which I have added on the home screen. So similarly, you can add as much folder on your respective home screen to access a specific folder. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily access directly any specific folder from home screen in Samsung smartphones running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.